chilling in my hood, you already know it's understood that the boys, these kids from the hood, and I'm working all day, and you can't hang with me, cause I'm chilling in the southeast. I go through time to time, I go everywhere. I hit you up, and you know you always trying to hit me up with a dime sack. Nigga, what's up, man? I don't know you like that, so you know I can't just front you like that. I front to other people, but nigga, you ain't just like me, nigga. I ain't no scrum that you can bum off of. I'ma go ahead, bust flows and knock down holes. Live my life that I always wanna live. I smile on my scene and you know me. I'm chilling back on my couch waiting for my hoes to come through. You already know I'm just posted up and springing. You already know I might bust some beans, but you know I'm just coming back, chilling up, make a few laughs. You know me, I'm a G and I keep it real with my homies. I'ma keep it G. I got my Glock on me in case the niggas just try to run up through my door. But I got a camera outside so I can see it from a mile away. So nigga don't try to run up, cause I'll let you know. I let my pit bull go and he's like my little soldier. So you know he's gonna ride with me to the end. So you know, if you mess with him, you gotta mess with me. And if you mess with me, you gotta mess with my twin. It's the chopper that got in my back, in my chunk. And you know I ain't afraid to pull a chunk off your bone. I'ma let you know heavy. Hogging all day, have you walking one leg? I don't give a dang, have your head knocked off. I'ma let you know from the south. Chilling all day, and you know I got these swingers on my elbows. You know I'm just whoop the grain and just whooping. I'm swinging, I'm slanging, yeah, I'm slanging. I'm swinging so quick that these motherfuckers can't even see me. I'm so quick. My money comes back to me like, damn, boy, where you going? I just hit a lick and I came back with 300 and you know I'm just stacking. Stacking again, just put it in my closet and you know I just come back with my bins. Niggas wanna hate on me cause I'm a G for real. They say your boy Zeke is a fool. Man, he just had 3 solos and he came back with 5 grand. What's up with that, man? I'm gonna let you know it's just me, keeping it G and keeping it real. Niggas can't fuck with me, I'm a player. I never have to get your ass cause you know I got these Himalayas. I got these hitmans that come get ya. Got these mans that wanna get ya just for a clip, man. I'm let you know. I spit this flow or I just give him a dope square. He goes for me, he just wanna smoke weed. That's what kind of people I need on my team. I got soldiers that ready to ride and you already know. I got my pit and you already know. He's like legit and you don't wanna fuck with me cause you lay one finger, all I gotta say is get him, boy. And he don't ask no questions, he just go and attack you, and I'ma let you know. If you hit him one time, I'ma get your ass while he eating your ass. I'ma let you know. You can't hang with me when I bust these flows, or when I'm playing around with your girlfriend. I hit her in my Benz, she say she want a driver standard, so I let her hop on me and she go ahead and ride on it. I let you know she a good girl. She might be one of them cowgirls that be riding on the horses. Cause I'ma let you know, she knows how to do her thing. Almost made a nigga bust up, but you already know I had her ass lift up. You know me, I keep it real. I never discriminate the G from the real hood, and you already know I'm chilling in the southeast of the Houston, Texas. Oh, I'm up in it, and niggas don't know where I'm at. I'm just chilling everywhere. So niggas don't talk down cause I'ma let you know I'm quick from ya. Niggas don't wanna hate cause I might get ya. Niggas wanna beat me but they can't even see me. I'm on the screen, niggas can't beat me. Niggas wanna see me but they can't even feed me. Niggas wanna, man.